Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering the console and ensuring the controller has at least 20% battery. This prevents interruption. Next, connect the controller physically to the switch or pair it via Bluetooth so the console can access it. Once done, navigate to System Settings and open Controllers and Sensors to begin. You're doing this now to create the link the update needs. Perform these steps in order to avoid repeated restarts and to let the device keep communication throughout the process. You will now run the controller update from System Settings under Controllers and Sensors. Select Update Controllers and follow the prompts. The console will search for attached controllers and push firmware. Make sure to keep the console awake and the controller connected. Do not remove Joy-Con or unplug USB during transfer. If multiple controllers need updates, repeat the process individually. Patience here prevents corrupted firmware since the device verifies each step and writes data securely before confirming completion. After the update completes, verify the controller by checking inputs on the home menu, and in a simple game, you want to confirm both buttons and sticks respond. If the update fails, make sure the controller is fully charged to around 100%, and then attempt the update again while connected via dock or cable. If problems persist, restart the switch and run the update using a wired connection. This eliminates wireless interference and often resolves stubborn firmware transfer errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.